So right now, SHIB and the rest of the crypto market are just basically chopping up and down. We're not moving one way or the other. We haven't had this big push to make us break out and break through our break box in terms of SHIB. And there's a big reason why. In just 3 days, there is a big event that is happening that may give us some sense of direction. Now, what's happening in 3 days is the either approval or rejection of the VanEck spot Ethereum ETF. Now, this is going to attempt to be the first approval for an Ethereum spot ETF here in the US. And the following day is going to be the ARC21 Ethereum spot ETF. Now, here's the thing. Right now, the SEC is kind of a hard on for Ethereum. They have started to change their minds in terms of whether Ethereum is in fact a commodity, like they said just last year, or if it is in fact an unregistered security. So this is where this kind of flux is taking place right now. They can't make up their damn minds. And because of that, we're kind of just stuck in limbo right now, waiting. Now, I did take a look at the likelihood of this happening right now. It's only like a 10% chance, guys. So it's probably unlikely that we are in fact going to get an approval. And right now, whales are in fact projecting that as well. For example, there's an Ethereum whale that cashed out $46 million worth of Ethereum earlier today. And you guys can see that in the charts, right? Ethereum actually dropped down to 30,050. It did go ahead and rebound a little bit today, so it's back above 3,100. Shiba Inu tracked very, very closely with that, actually falling below our support level here and now sitting right back above it. And what people need to understand is, SHIB very much has a correlation with BTC. BTC kind of sets the overall direction for the market, but it is very, very closely going to follow Ethereum because right now Shiba Inu's largest pairings are either USDC, USDT, or Ethereum. So when ETH moves, it is going to drag Shiba Inu around. And because of this, right now, if we do get some sort of approval, SHIB may rise at a very accelerated rate with Ethereum. If if Ethereum gets a rejection and kind of starts to fall down, don't be surprised if Shiba Inu follows the same thing. We haven't quite gotten to that point yet where we have this big decorrelation happening. That tends to happen later in the year. But these kind of events may give us some sort of short-term direction. Really, if SHIB can get past this break box, guys, I know I've talked about this time and time again, but if we can get past this break box, we can move very, very quickly up here and actually gain a lot of ground versus Ethereum, gain a lot of ground versus BTC. That's just kind of what we're waiting on right now, is some sense of direction, some event to be that spark in the market, that excitement that really gets things going again. Now, would I expect this to have the same kind of impact as a Bitcoin spot ETF? Not quite. If we look abroad at what Ethereum versus BTC spot ETFs are doing, there's actually less flows going into Ethereum spot ETFs, but it can be enough to kind of trigger the run of altcoins. Again, many of these having a very high pairing, very high correlation with Ethereum. So this is what we're waiting on this week. This is the next big event. I want to hear whether you guys think we are getting an approval, whether we're getting a rejection, what prices of assets are going to do over the course of this week. So appreciate you as always. Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.